Hey, what's up? I'm Ro, your wholesome beauty expert here at Lemon Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our Pro-Tip eyeliner. So I don't know about you if you ever used a Pro-Tip eyeliner before, but these can be, for the pros, so it seems. So I'm going to give tips and tricks to help you apply our Pro-Tip eyeliner. Start with a steady elbow. So I always recommend finding a stable surface like a table or a tabletop to do your eyeliner, and anchor your elbow so you have a steady hand when doing it. Come on, let's get a closer look. So when I apply my eyeliner, I love to start with the head tilt. So tilt your head. Some people start from the inner corner and work your way outward. I like to start from the furthest point and work my way inward. And let's repeat the same thing on the other side. And there you have it, the perfect winged eyeliner.